Recently, an amazing SaaS company called Freshworks got listed in NASDAQ for a staggering $12 billion valuation. This IPO creates curiosity in everyone's mind, and if you are exploring SaaS, then this is the perfect place for you. In this video, we are going to explore SaaS, and welcome to the 3 Club. As you already know, a wide range of professionals, enterprises, and personal users are using SaaS products. Industry players include small startups to cloud giants such as AWS and Google. And SaaS products are so diverse, ranging from entertainment apps like Netflix, to advanced tools like Salesforce. Let's start with the obvious first question. What is SaaS? Software as a service, or SaaS is a software distribution model in which a company hosts its applications in the cloud, and provides these applications to its customers through the internet. SaaS applications are accessed via web browsers or mobile apps. Now let's take your favorite music streaming apps such as Spotify as an example. How you were listening to music before Spotify? You were downloading all the songs into your phone and then you listened to them. But with Spotify, you are not downloading these songs, instead, you are streaming them on the internet. So what Spotify is doing? They keep all the songs on their cloud and make these songs available over the internet, either through a mobile app or web browser. Netflix is also doing the same. They keep all their videos on the cloud and make them available over the internet. As of now, I was talking about the personal SaaS examples. Now let's switch to some professional SaaS products. Let's talk about Google Docs or Google Drive or Dropbox. In Google Docs, you are writing all your documents on a mobile or web application, and your documents are getting saved in the cloud. And with Google Drive or Dropbox, you are uploading all your files into the cloud via their respective mobile or web apps. Since you are saving all these files into the cloud, you can access these files from multiple devices, or by multiple people through the internet. This is one of the biggest advantages of SaaS products. Now we are looking into Salesforce as an enterprise SaaS product. Multiple employees in an organization can update their sales-related data into Salesforce. And different employees can build business insights, or generate different types of sales reports. How is it possible? Again, the basic SaaS distribution model. All the data are available on the cloud, and multiple employees can work on these data through the internet. And how do we need to pay for SaaS applications? The SaaS applications work on a subscription model, which means the customers need to pay monthly or yearly subscription fees like how we pay to Netflix each month. So customers don't need to pay big money upfront for SaaS applications, and generally, they operate on a pay-as-you-go model. Customers only need to pay based on their usage of these applications, which is very convenient for SaaS customers. Today SaaS applications are used in a wide variety of business operations, and before going into the SaaS architecture, I will give you some examples. For businesses, there's SaaS for sales management such as Salesforce, customer relationships such as HubSpot, accounting software such as QuickBooks, collaboration tools such as Slack and Zoom. Other popular SaaS products include Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, Zendesk, Freshworks, Trello, MailChimp, Shopify, and the name goes on. According to a recent McKinsey & Company report, technology analysts predict further growth in the SaaS market and expect to see the market for SaaS products near $200 billion by 2024. This could go more than a multi-trillion-dollar in value by 2030 and create more than 1 million new jobs in the SaaS industry around the world. Now, let's have a look at the SaaS architecture. In our traditional software delivery model, companies would have to install, manage, and upgrade the software themselves on local servers. So companies need to have their own in-house IT team to manage these operations. But as you already know, SaaS works through the cloud delivery model. And the SaaS products will host their application and related data in the cloud. This helps your SaaS application be ready for use in a couple of hours. One good example is how you are using cloud sharing SaaS products like Dropbox over the local file sharing applications at work. SaaS applications typically use a multi-tenant architecture. And tenant simply means users. So in a multi-tenant architecture, a single instance of the SaaS application will be running on the cloud, and that single instance will serve each subscribing user. In the traditional software delivery model, there will be different versions of software for different users. But in SaaS, the application will run on a single version across all users. Even though different subscribing users will run on the same instance on the cloud, each user would have their own dedicated space to securely store their data. With the multi-tenant architecture, SaaS applications can manage updates and bug fixes easier and faster. Rather than having to implement changes in multiple instances, engineers can make necessary changes for all users by maintaining the one shared instance. So, the multi-tenant architecture allows a greater pool of engineers to be available to a larger group of users, without compromising important cloud functions such as speed, privacy, and security. Now let's have a look at the top 5 advantages of the SaaS model. The first benefit is cost-effective. SaaS removes the need for companies to install and run applications on their own computers or in their own data centers. This eliminates the expense of hardware acquisition, maintenance, and provisioning, as well as software installation, licensing, and support. So SaaS is cost-effective. The second benefit is flexible payments. Rather than purchasing software to install, and additional hardware to support it, customers subscribe to a SaaS application. So customers can save money on these kinds of hardware infrastructure. In addition to that, customers can also terminate SaaS offerings at any time to stop those recurring costs. The third benefit is scalable usage. SaaS also offers high scalability for any range of projects in need, which gives customers the option to access more or fewer features on demand. The fourth benefit is automatic updates. Rather than purchasing new software, customers can rely on a SaaS application to automatically perform updates and bug fixes, which reduces the burden on the in-house IT team. The fifth benefit is accessibility and persistence. Since SaaS companies offer applications over the internet, customers can access them from anywhere with an internet connection. That's it for now. And please let me know your favorite SaaS product in the comment section below. Currently, we are working on other videos related to SaaS. So if you are an entrepreneur, or an employee working in a SaaS company, or if you are curious to know more about SaaS business, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel, or follow us on Instagram, or Facebook for the upcoming videos. And if you learned something from this video, then please hit the like button. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye.